Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about Borrowell, a popular credit building app. More specifically, we'll be discussing whether or not you can use Borrowell if you don't have a credit history. Now, before we dive into that, let's take a quick look at what Borrowell is and how it works. Borrowell is a Canadian fintech company that offers free credit scores and reports to its users. It also provides a number of tools and resources to help people improve their credit scores. So, can you use Borrowell if you don't have a credit history? The answer is yes. In fact, Borrowell is a great option for people who are just starting out on their credit journey. Here's why. Borrowell offers free credit scores and reports. This is a great way to get a baseline understanding of your creditworthiness. Borrowell provides a number of tools and resources to help you improve your credit score. These include tips on how to make on-time payments, how to reduce your debt, and how to build a positive credit history. Borrowell doesn't require a credit check to sign up. This means that you can get access to your credit score and reports without damaging your credit history. Borrowell offers a number of products and services that can help you build credit. These include the Borrowell Credit Builder Loan and the Borrowell Rent Advantage program. Now, let's take a closer look at some of the specific benefits of using Borrowell if you don't have a credit history. You can get a free credit score and report. This is a great way to get a baseline understanding of your creditworthiness. You can learn how to improve your credit score. Borrowell provides a number of tools and resources that can help you build a positive credit history. You can access credit products and services that can help you build credit. This includes the Borrowell Credit Builder Loan and the Borrowell Rent Advantage program. You can get pre-approved for a loan or credit card. This can help you save time and effort when you're ready to apply for credit. So, if you're looking to build your credit history, Borrowell is a great option. It's free to use, and it offers a number of tools and resources that can help you get on the right track. Now, let's talk about some of the drawbacks of using Borrowell. One potential drawback is that Borrowell doesn't offer as many credit building products and services as some other companies. For example, Borrowell doesn't offer secured credit cards or credit counseling services. Another potential drawback is that Borrowell's credit scores may not be as accurate as the credit scores from the major credit bureaus. This is because Borrowell uses a different scoring model than the major credit bureaus. Overall, Borrowell is a great option for people who are just starting out on their credit journey. It's free to use, and it offers a number of tools and resources that can help you build a positive credit history. However, it's important to be aware of the potential drawbacks before you sign up. In addition to the benefits and drawbacks that I've discussed, there are a few other things to keep in mind when using Borrowell. First, it's important to understand that Borrowell is not a lender. It simply provides you with information about your credit score and report. Second, it's important to be realistic about your expectations. Building a good credit score takes time and effort. There is no quick fix. Finally, it's important to be responsible with your credit. Make sure that you only borrow money that you can afford to repay. With that said, if you're looking for a way to build your credit history, Borrowell is a great option. Just be sure to do your research and understand the pros and cons before you sign up. And that's it for today's video on Borrowell. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching.